Alright, here are over 30 trane air conditioners. Look at this. These are all XB. That one's from 2016. There's also a mini split right there. Mitsubishi Electric. Here's a few more. Most of these are the same, but there is some newer trains too, XRs. Probably these have Alliance scrolls. And they seem to all be from 2016. This one's running. Sounds pretty nice. Here's an XR. Right here. And I'm gonna get the data. 2016. XR. More trane. This one's running. This one's fat. I think all the XRs are on. It's a huge one. It's really big. Another XR. And then a few more XRs down there. That one's already fading. And here we have a couple of refrigeration components. That one's really quiet. Oh, this one has a recip. This one running right here has a recip. All these are straight cold. Maybe not the train. I think an XR is on. Over here. There's another recip that's on. Another recip train. That one's from 2016. None of the XRs are on. Oh, never mind. This one is running. On the end here. 2016. Probably got an Alliance scroll, it sounds like it. There's another XB running with a recip. It's that one right there. Right here. Oh, fan's really slow on that. Yeah, that's got a capacitor. That capacitor's going out. This one's also on. And this last one here is off. And there's a generator. But yeah, all these are from 2016. That one says 2015 actually. I didn't know that. No, that says 2016, never mind. Alright, well, there is a few more trane RTU units that we're gonna go to. So, one of these just shut off. Oh, it was the XR. Maybe I'll catch a startup. There, the XR. It's got a pretty, oh! This XR just started up. And it sounded really nice on startup. Alright. I'm just gonna walk through these again. Some others turned on. Wow, this one turned on. This thing's noisy as heck. That's crazy loud. There's 4 XRs in this bunch. I don't know if this one was on before. I think it was. Alright. I think one of these shut off. Sorry about that. Alright. Well, there's at least I got one startup and one shutdown. Now we're gonna go take a look at some bigger trane units. So see y'all soon. Alright, here are these big trane units. Also from 2016. Huge fans. This is a BC Electric, another one, and a few more. Big trane units. Not sure if these have been on. Also from 2016. This one's the same. And there's one over there, but I'm not going to go to it. Alright. That'll be it. Thank y'all for watching, and over and out.